The Bahá'í houses of worship, symbols of unity, infusing the concepts of service and worship, with their doors open to all people, regardless of race, creed, and religion, have been raised up from the islands of the Pacific, traversing the Americas across the seas to Europe, from Asia to the heart of Africa, with their influence being felt throughout the world. In Santiago, Chile, the last of these continental houses of worship, a magnificent structure of concrete, steel, glass, and stone is being erected. Over the last year, the major civil work of the project, including grading and utility lines, in an area of more than 11 hectares of land, has advanced and is near completion. Completion of the 3-story structure of concrete, including the basement, service tunnel, main floor, and the mezzanine, is another milestone achievement for the project team. The complexity of the work, the requisite high quality, and the meticulous precision were achieved with close cooperation of the design team, the project manager's office, and the local contractor. Precise installation of steel embeds, anchored into the mezzanine floor level, provides the connection points between the superstructure's steel frame and the concrete structure. Along with the progress of the construction work in Santiago, Chile, the engineering and fabrication of the components of the superstructure have been underway in Europe for over the last year and a half by Gartner, a German contractor. The 30-meter-high superstructure consists of 3 main elemental systems: the structural steel framing, the exterior cast glass cladding, and the interior translucent marble cladding. The main structural steel framing, being manufactured in Turkey, consists of 18 steel tubular columns converging at the oculus at the top of the structure with a main ring tube. The steel columns are connected laterally by steel members to create a rigid structure. Over 8,800 pieces of infill space frame steel structure are added to form an envelope of the building, supporting the exterior and the interior cladding. The space frame members are connected with over 3,100 steel nodes, made of 8 centimeter thick steel plates, gas-torched and robotically milled. Over 5,000 square meters of 3 centimeter thick, custom-made, translucent cast glass cladding, fabricated by a Canadian artisan in Toronto, covers the exterior of the superstructure. The cast glass panels have been water jet cut or slumped into 10,000 different shapes and sizes of a combination of flat and curved pieces, based on precise computerized measurements. The cut cast glass pieces are fixed with concealed anchors and fitted in over 3,000 aluminum frames, which will then be assembled onto the exterior of the space frame structure, creating the exterior envelope of the building. In Portugal, quarrying of over 400 tons of Extremos marble blocks for the interior cladding of the superstructure is taking place. The blocks are carefully selected, processed, cut, and honed. The curved pieces are cut using a robotic milling and shaping process in Italy, after which all the pieces are fixed with anchors and shipped to Germany to be fit with their aluminum frames. Fabrication of the bronze ribbon windows, entrance doors, other windows, and canopies are advancing according to schedule. the 420-ton steel framing structure, the 450-ton interior and exterior cladding systems of cast glass and stone of the superstructure, and other additional elements are being fabricated in over 15 different locations spread throughout Europe and the Americas and are being shipped to Chile. In mid-August, a small team of German engineers and supervisors arrived in Santiago and are preparing for the assembly and erection of the superstructure with the assistance of local contractors. 2 cranes have been installed and the temporary central support for the erection of the structure has been raised. Participation of volunteers from different countries in the construction of the House of Worship has added a new dimension to the work underway and provided a unique opportunity for the participants to be part of such a monumental project.
Porque esta es una experiencia única, porque lo que uno vive el día a día acá, todos los días hay una experiencia nueva.
Necesitamos una actitud de dedicación, de dedicar nuestras vidas para servicio.
Después de este año, nada va a ser igual, te cambia tu perspectiva, tu forma de ser, tu forma de ver las cosas radicalmente.
Tú tienes muchos obstáculos en toda su vida, pero cuando tú tienes un espíritu de servicio, nada puede molestarte mucho.
En lo espiritual me hace más fuerte y es un orgullo muy grande estar participando en ello.
I wanted to be a part of something that is going to be a huge accomplishment for the world. I'm really excited to say that I've been able to work on it.